Hey guys, it's me, Bella, and today I have my dog with me. He's sick, so please, if you guys could, subscribe and like my videos for my dog Simba here. And yeah, right now I'm giving him an ice cream because he's thirsty. Over here, Simba. Look at the camera. Simba, why you? Oh, sorry about that, guys. Over here. He's just very hyper. He hasn't drank water ever since he came back from the vet, so nothing was bothering him, so I just got him an ice cream. So yeah, my dog Simba. As you can see, he has something right there. It's a little hole. I know it's weird that it's right there, but it's there. He got the cone on. I don't know why that. So yeah, please subscribe for my dog Simba here. Like, even, oh my, Simba. And yeah, peace guys.